my name is Esther Obolabi. I want to take us through the process of making honey and milk sugar scrub at home. We are using ingredients that you usually have in your homes. So instead of spending so much money on buying honey and milk sugar scrub, you can easily make it in the comfort of your home. So let's get started. 1 tablespoon of milk, so you can use 2 tablespoons of sugar. Up with your mixture. Add your onion, 2 tablespoons of onion. Okay. Your coconut oil. This allows room for new healthy skin cells to generate and function properly. It will also deep cleanse your skin, removing grime and germs from within skin pores and preventing further breakout. Brown sugar also contains glycolic acid, a powerful alpha hydroxide acid that helps expel toxic and bacteria as well as moisturizes skin. It is also a hydrating agent and it locks moisture into your skin cell and guides against skin dryness. Use brown sugar instead of white sugar because it is more gentle on skin and works well for very sensitive skin.